Let me tell you a story. Let me take you on a journey. The European Space Agency ESA wants to establish a fully operational moon base by 2035. In 2 years, they want to have technological demonstrations of everything they're going to send up there ready. So we thought, what is the biggest challenge for building this base? And it is fabrication on site. Why up there? Because if you send everything pre-made up for assembly, it's simply too heavy. 1 kilogram to send costs 1 million euros. So production on the moon is absolutely necessary. There's a new technology called 3D printing, which nowadays is also available with metals, that perfectly delivers this flexibility of production. However, it has a major downside. It takes so much energy. It takes a whole tennis court full of highly advanced solar cells to produce it for the process. What do we do different? We don't do this inefficient extra step over electricity. We directly focus sunlight into one spot, bring that into the printer for melting the metals. And this way, we're extremely lightweight, we're cost and energy efficient. It could even melt titanium. So, join us on our mission to the moon.